A Winning Vision, Teaching Enhanced with iPads, presented by Sadie Helton, Sheena Odom, Arliss Claiborne, Lindsay Mathis, and Lauren Love. We need technology in every classroom and in every student and teacher's hand, because it is the pen and paper of our time, and it is the lens through which we experience much of our world. Students bring unique strengths and weaknesses into each classroom. A teacher's job is to identify and to try and manipulate different variables to overcome and build on a student's educational foundation. This leads to the ability of students to enhance their confidence and their self-reliability, which creates strong learners and lifelong achievers. Unfortunately, there are a lot of factors that inhibit a teacher from reaching every student, such as limited time, limited resources, and limited support. Teachers find it difficult to provide each individual student with the necessary encouragement and support they need to become great learners. Also, there is a lack of textbooks, money, and technology. With that lack of support, incorporating equipment and new software into the curriculum. However, with the recent technological advances, such as iPads, the internet, and the variety of software, we are able to gear instruction to each student in a more individualized manner.
Now we will discuss the purpose of our grant proposal. The SSALL organization is composed of a group of local Muskogee County School District K-12 teachers, and our purpose is to use technology to improve the quality of education across the curriculum. The advancement of technology is providing unlimited opportunities and resources that can be a powerful tool for teachers in their effort to reach every student. Some great examples of iPad software provide students with the opportunities for exploring human anatomy, with applications designed to allow students to participate in virtual dissection, also applications designed for grammar, speech, and translation, and the ability to explore a virtual version of our solar system. The introduction of iPads in the classroom has already been incorporated into a first grade classroom in Muskogee County School District. Eric Crouch has acquired a classroom set of iPads to use with his first grade students. His ability to reinvent a child's experience in a typical classroom by using technology has re-engaged students and increased their desire to learn. Please pause this presentation to follow the link below to view a video of how Eric implements iPads in his classroom. Enjoy! Now we will take a look at the program's goals and objectives. The purpose of the goals and objectives is to improve the quality of education through the use of technology, particularly for this organization, iPads. The first goal of the SSALL program is to improve the quality of education for K-12 students in Muskogee County School District in special education by enhancing independent learning and social skills to promote mastery of grade-level standards and individual goals through the use of technology. The second goal of the SSALL program is to improve the quality of education for English language learners in grades K-12 in Muskogee County School District by increasing the application of literacy skills through the use of technology. The third goal of the SSALL program is to promote mastery of grade-level standards by improving independent learning and critical thinking skills among K-12 general and gifted education students in the Muskogee County School District. The fourth and final goal of the SSALL program is to provide professional development for educators in Muskogee County School District using technology to increase technological aptitude, instructional support, and the incorporation of technology in the curriculum.
Now we're going to talk about the methods for the SSALL project. This program will be implemented and overseen by the SSALL members, who are the 5 grant directors. In addition, 7 information technology professionals will be selected to assist with program development and maintenance of Apple equipment. SSALL members will select from each school a group consisting of teachers, media specialists, and administrators that will assist with program development and the incorporation of technology within the current curriculum. SSALL will select schools representing low, moderate, and high standards of achievement. Of these schools, 11 elementary schools, 4 middle schools, and 3 high schools will be selected. To implement this program, SSALL members will select qualified professionals to make up the technology curriculum teams and information technology teams.
Then they will introduce teachers to new technology through professional learning workshops, as well as introduce new technology into the classrooms for both teachers and students. SSALL members will continue to provide teacher workshops for maintenance and improvement regarding technology skills and implementation. SSALL, TCT, and ITT members will conduct evaluations to record progress throughout the duration of the program and collect data for evaluation.
Now we will take a look into the evaluation process. The evaluation for how the iPads will be used will be done through class observations, interviews, test scores, and teacher lesson plans. Classroom observations will be done to see how the teachers and students interact with the iPads. Interviews will be conducted to gather feedback from the participants to see how comfortable they are using the iPads and how they have enhanced their learning. Test scores will be used to track academic increase. We will be able to use these results to compare them to the schools who do not have iPads. Lesson plans will be checked to see if the teacher is incorporating the iPads into his or her daily lesson. We want the iPads to be something they use on a regular basis. The data from the interviews, classroom observations, lesson plans, and test scores will be sorted and analyzed. We will review the multiple case studies to see if there is any generalizability to expand the program further. Coding of the interviews will be conducted to identify any patterns or themes that might exist. From this information, we can make a concept map to identify the strengths or weaknesses within the themes or patterns that have been pulled from this program. An audit trail will be included to determine consistency or what is missing. Through a series of checks and balances, we can gather a more complete picture about how well the program is working. Having an audit trail included will add to the validity of the information collected. Unfortunately, the generalizability will be limited. Applying this information from this program to another school district may result in unreliable results. This program is ideally trying to observe the use of new technology and how it can improve student achievement.
The SSALL organization encourages teachers and students to embrace education and technology. Teaching with the latest tools provides a fun, interesting, and exciting environment which leads students to become lifelong learners.